Hi there, I am Eric Salgado, CEO founder of Builderall.com, and welcome to the 5 Minutes with the CEO. Today we'll talk about the digital marketer career, and like every week, a quick report of what's new in Builderall. First, let's talk about the weekly upgrades on Builderall. Cheetah Blog Builder. Finally, you can now create amazing blogs using the Cheetah technology. And like all Cheetah websites, your blog will load in less than 1 second. With this new application, you can create a blog in minutes. You can actually manage many blogs in many websites or the same blog in many websites. You can have guest writers, you can have dripping posts, and much more. The new blog is amazing, and you definitely should check it out. By the way, you can import your pixel perfect blog with just one click. 40 funnels on the showcase. As you know, a few months ago we launched the Funnel Club, where we offer you ready-to-go funnels for you to promote and grow your email list in many different niches. And this week we are celebrating 40 niche funnels on the Funnel Showcase that you can access on your affiliate dashboard. Vidello. Now, besides the integration with YouTube, Vimeo, and Vistia, we just released the integration with Vidello. Pixel by pixel position control. Build your pages and make your design perfect with the keyboard arrow control and adjust your elements pixel by pixel. Only Builderall's Cheetah Builder gives you the freedom of design we call pixel perfect. E-learning integration with Mailing Boss. Now, besides capturing the student's email on Mailing Boss, you can also send the certificate by email at the end of the course. Video Gallery. One of the biggest apps we just created so far is the Video Gallery. With the Video Gallery, you can create amazing designs showing off your content, videos, and course. Add new pages fast. Add new pages to your website without leaving the editor. This way, it is easier for you to keep your concentration and focus when you are creating your funnels. And now let's talk a little bit about the digital marketing career. Imagine this: one of your friends has a really bad problem with his heart and needs surgery. Could you take care of everything and perform a heart surgery? Probably not, right? And it's because you haven't studied to become a surgeon. Now, how come someone without the appropriate training can be able to perform a surgery? They wouldn't. Same thing with digital marketing. You can make a lot of money with digital marketing. You can actually make millions, but like any other profession, you need to get appropriate training to succeed. You need to study, you need to practice, you need to make mistakes, you need to learn with your mistakes, you need to try and test strategies, you need to dedicate hours every day to learn and practice. Taking action upon your learning and practicing is what will make you a successful digital marketing professional. Be careful with your expectations and quick money promises. Give yourself about 1 year of hard work and you will see some results. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you inside Builderall.